Guys, Mark here in American Suspension. I'm going to show you a demo of how to operate the bike with our SAC control unit. It has front and rear air. So I'm going to raise it all the way up, and then I'm going to dump a little bit of air and let it sag about an inch, half an inch. So you can ride in that area. So you're going to pull out the knob you have connected to your rear supply, leave the front pressed in. You're going to press the top button. It's going to shoot the back right up. It's all the way up, full height right now. And then if you watch, I'm going to let it just sag about like that, like a half inch. Now, got a nice ride. If you ride it, it's a little too soft, add a little more air to it. I'm going to close this now. I'm going to open the front. So I pull that open. I've closed the rear because it's ready to go. And now I'm going to pop up the front. So the front's up. I'm going to close it right now. I'm going to grab the front brake and I'm going to push on it. So that's kind of stiff. I don't want it to be that stiff, so I want to let a little bit of air out. See how it moves, the forks move like it should on the suspension? That's about where you want it. You're going to push them both in now, and you're ready to ride. When you want to dump, you get to a parking space, you want to dump, you could let them both out. They're going to equalize, and then you can dump the air, and it'll go down. And this one's on a kickstand. You can see, you know, it works with a kickstand, or you could use a center stand. All right, and then make sure you close these two when you leave the bike. That way it's a security setup so no air can leak past the tank into the forks and fill them and lift the bike up. Thanks, American Suspension.